Hello, my name is Omar. I am a master Lexus technician, and today I will show you how to replace the oil cooler pipe on your Lexus RX350. So this is a 2011 Lexus RX model, and as we can see, it has an oil leak that is severe. Right now the engine has not been run, but this is where the oil leak is originating from. I will turn it on to confirm the oil leak. So the engine is running, we can see that it's dripping, and the oil is coming from that rubber hose. In the replacement, we have a metal pipe that is a complete set. I moved the harness for the oxygen sensor out of the way so we can see much better what are we looking at. So this is the pipes, this is the first one and the second one in the back, but we will remove it from the bolts on the upper oil pan and from the bolts on the oil cooler. So probably the trickiest nut to take out will be the one on the back, this one right here. So I removed this bracket of the oxygen sensor, 10mm bolt over here, and also remove this clamp, and that allows me to put a socket with an extension. And what seems to work for me is use one of these little extension, maybe 1 inch or 1.5, then an adapter 3/8 to 1/4, and a 12mm socket. This is a common problem on older RXs from 2007 to 2011. So if your car does not have the updated part, it is recommended to replace it before they start leaking, because they will leak at some point. This is the comparison, the old one with the updated tube. Here I installed the new oil cooler pipe with the new gasket, and we installed the studs on the upper oil pan using an E8 Torx socket. For the nut in the back of the pipes, which is the most difficult to get, I lift the engine just enough to install a ratchet and get the nut tight. And after everything is done, there shouldn't be any more leak. Of course, this is a messy job because the customer was driving and the oil was leaking everywhere. But I'll try to get it clean as much as I can, and I'll show you the engine running after the repair. This is with the engine running. Making sure there is no more leak. This car is fixed and ready to go.